If you are experiencing yellowing in the lucky bamboo that's growing in water, there are several considerations to ensure that the plant well-being. Firstly, pay attention to water quality by allowing tap water to sit for 24 hours before use to let chlorine dissipate, or consider using filtered or distilled water. Regularly change the water to prevent the stagnation and the potential development of root rot. Examine the container for a cleanliness and ensure the root are not over covered, trimming any unhealthy roots. Place the lucky bamboo in an area with bright indirect light for a few hours daily and maintain a temperature range of 65 to 90 degree Fahrenheit. If the water lack of nutrient, consider adding a dilute liquid fertilizer, being cautioned not to over fertilize, and additionally trim the yellow leaves, lower leaves as part of the natural aging process. By addressing these factors, you can promote the overall health of your lucky bamboo growing in water and discourage further yellowing.